The Turkish electric SUV Togg T10X has achieved a major milestone, securing a full 5-star rating in the 2025 Euro NCAP safety tests. This places it among the top performers in its class, competing head-to-head with established global brands. In the category of adult occupant protection, the T10X scored an impressive 94%. The passenger cell remained stable in frontal offset tests, while side impact and pole impact tests saw the SUV achieve maximum points, offering excellent protection to all critical body areas. Whiplash protection was rated good for the front seats, though only marginal for the rear. For child occupant protection, the SUV achieved 85%. The T10X delivered maximum points in both frontal and side crash scenarios for child dummies aged 6 and 10. It also allows the front passenger airbag to be deactivated to safely accommodate rearward-facing child seats, and all designated child restraint systems were properly installed. When it comes to vulnerable road users, including pedestrians and cyclists, the T10X scored 79%. Protection for the head, pelvis, and legs was mostly good, with only the stiff windscreen pillars presenting weaker results. The autonomous emergency braking system performed adequately for pedestrians and strongly for cyclists and motorcyclists. In safety assist systems, the T10X earned 80%. Standard features include forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, intelligent speed assistance, lane keeping, and emergency lane support, as well as direct driver monitoring for fatigue and distraction. Seat belt reminders are fitted to all seats, further boosting safety scores. Designed in collaboration with Pininfarina and Turkish-born designer Murat Günak, the T10X is more than just Turkey's first electric SUV, it's a statement of intent. Togg aims to export 1 million EVs to European markets by 2030, combining technology, design, and safety into a single package. With these results, the Togg T10X proves it's not just a newcomer, but a genuine contender in the global electric SUV market, delivering a strong mix of advanced safety, modern design, and smart mobility solutions. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this breakdown helpful, and let us know in the comments, would you consider the Togg T10X as your next car? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.